A laundry worker plays a crucial role in maintaining cleanliness, hygiene, and presentation standards in hospitals, hotels, laundromats, and other facilities. This position requires attention to detail, time management, physical stamina, and knowledge of different fabrics, detergents, and washing techniques. Whether you're handling customer garments or institutional linens, employers look for reliability, efficiency, and a strong sense of responsibility. In this video, we'll explore some of the most common laundry worker interview questions along with sample answers and practical tips. By preparing your responses in advance, you'll be able to present yourself as an organized, hardworking, and dependable professional who understands the importance of maintaining high laundry standards. Understanding the role of a laundry worker. The laundry worker job description involves collecting, sorting, washing, drying, ironing, folding, and distributing laundry. Workers may also operate commercial washers, dryers, and pressing machines. Maintaining cleanliness and preventing damage to fabrics are essential parts of the job. Interviewers are looking for candidates who are punctual, detail-oriented, and familiar with safety and hygiene standards. A positive attitude and willingness to work in a team are equally important, especially in fast-paced environments like hospitals or hotels. Question 1. Can you describe your experience working in a laundry environment? Here's how you can answer. I've worked in a hotel laundry department for over 2 years, handling large loads of linens and uniforms. I'm familiar with operating industrial washing and drying machines, sorting fabrics, and following proper care labels to prevent damage. Tip: highlight your hands-on experience and familiarity with laundry equipment or procedures. Question 2. How do you ensure that all items are properly cleaned and not damaged? Here's how you can answer. I always check the care labels before washing, use appropriate detergents, and separate items by color and fabric type. I also inspect each piece after washing to ensure there are no stains or tears. Tip: show that you follow procedures carefully and prioritize quality control. Question 3. How do you handle delicate or special care fabrics? Here's how you can answer. For delicate fabrics, I use the recommended gentle cycles, lower water temperatures, and mild detergents. I avoid overloading the machine and make sure these items are air-dried when necessary. Tip: demonstrate your understanding of handling delicate garments responsibly. Question 4. What do you do if a machine breaks down during your shift? Here's how you can answer. If a machine breaks down, I immediately stop using it, report the issue to maintenance, and continue with other available machines if possible. I never attempt to repair it myself unless trained and authorized to do so. Tip: employers appreciate workers who follow safety and reporting procedures. Question 5. How do you manage your workload when there are tight deadlines or large laundry loads? Here's how you can answer. I prioritize by sorting items based on urgency and machine availability. I work efficiently but carefully, ensuring that quality is not compromised even during busy hours. Tip: stress time management and ability to stay organized under pressure. Question 6. How do you ensure hygiene and cleanliness in your work area? Here's how you can answer. I make sure the laundry area is always clean by wiping down machines, keeping floors dry, and disposing of lint and waste properly. I also wash my hands regularly and wear protective gloves when needed. Tip: hygiene and cleanliness are critical. Emphasize consistent attention to both. Question 7. How do you handle items that are stained or require special attention? Here's how you can answer. I identify the type of stain and use appropriate pre-treatment methods before washing. If I'm unsure about the fabric, I consult the supervisor to prevent damage. Tip: show initiative but also demonstrate that you follow protocols and seek guidance when needed. Question 8. What steps do you take to ensure safety while operating laundry machines? Here's how you can answer. I always follow manufacturer instructions, avoid overloading machines, and ensure all covers and safety locks are in place before starting a cycle. I also report any leaks or malfunctions immediately. Tip: employers value awareness of safety and preventive measures. Question 9. How do you handle lost or misplaced laundry items? Here's how you can answer. I follow the facility's tracking and labeling procedures to minimize errors. If something goes missing, I double-check records, search the area, and report it to my supervisor immediately. Tip. Stress accountability and commitment to following company policies. Question 10. How do you deal with repetitive tasks during long shifts? Here's how you can answer. I stay focused by maintaining a steady rhythm and setting small goals throughout the day. I take short breaks when allowed to keep my energy up and ensure I maintain accuracy. Tip. Show discipline and a positive attitude toward routine work. Question 11. Can you describe your approach to teamwork in a laundry environment? Here's how you can answer. I believe teamwork keeps operations running smoothly. I communicate with coworkers about load priorities, help others when needed, and make sure we all stay on schedule. Tip. Cooperation and communication are key in laundry operations. Show that you're a team player. Question 12. How do you handle customer complaints or feedback about laundry quality? Here's how you can answer. I listen carefully to the complaint, apologize for the inconvenience, and make sure the issue is corrected promptly. I also report recurring issues to supervisors so improvements can be made. Tip. Display professionalism and a customer-oriented mindset. Question 13. What do you do if you find damaged or torn items before washing? Here's how you can answer. I set the damaged item aside, label it clearly, and report it to the supervisor or customer before proceeding. That way, the damage is documented, and no one is wrongly blamed. Tip. Show honesty, responsibility, and attention to detail. Question 14. How do you handle the physical demands of this job? Here's how you can answer. I'm used to standing for long hours, lifting heavy loads, and working in warm environments. I maintain good posture, take care of my health, and follow safety lifting techniques to prevent strain. Tip. Show that you're physically prepared and take care of yourself on the job. Question 15. Why should we hire you as our laundry worker? Here's how you can answer. You should hire me because I'm reliable, efficient, and experienced in handling all aspects of laundry operations. I pay attention to detail, maintain high hygiene standards, and take pride in ensuring every item is cleaned properly and on time. Tip. End confidently. Show reliability, responsibility, and pride in your work. Interview tips for laundry worker candidates. During your interview, highlight your reliability, cleanliness, and experience with laundry machines or stain treatment. Employers value punctuality, teamwork, and consistency, so use examples from past jobs to demonstrate these qualities. Be honest about your ability to handle physical tasks and long hours. Dress neatly for the interview. Even though it's a practical role, it shows professionalism. If possible, mention any experience working in hospitality, healthcare, or industrial laundry settings. Lastly, maintain a positive attitude. Employers appreciate candidates who show enthusiasm for their work and respect for cleanliness standards. Final thoughts. Interviewing for a laundry worker position is about showing that you can handle responsibility, follow procedures, and maintain quality under pressure. Focus on your attention to detail, teamwork, and ability to keep operations running smoothly. By combining reliability with a strong work ethic, you can present yourself as a trustworthy and dedicated member of any laundry team. With preparation and confidence, you'll be able to leave a lasting impression and secure your next opportunity in the laundry service field.